Here is a list of everything I pack when I go on multi-day hikes and wild camping adventures. I even used most of this gear on my John O'Groats to Land's End hike a few years ago. Although I have changed my rucksack, so let's start with that. It's a Gregory Zulu 55 litre. My tent is an MSR Hubba Hubba NX2 and I put that in a dry bag. The poles and pegs I keep separate in the side of my pack. My sleeping bag is called a Big Agnes Torchlight UL20 and I actually use this all year round. My sleeping pad is a Thermarest Neo Air X-Lite NXT. Why does everything have such a long name? I have a Van Gogh blow-up pillow, which is a bit of luxury, but if it helps you sleep, it's worth taking. My waterproofs are a Rab Firewall jacket and Sprayway Gore-Tex trousers. My warm layer is a Montane Anti-Freeze Light jacket. This is a down jacket, it's lightweight and packs down super small. I have some Montane Prism gloves, which are waterproof and lightweight. I then have 3 pairs of socks, one to wear, one spare, and one are waterproof. Believe it or not, 1 pair of boxer shorts. The shorts I hike in have built-in pants, so these are just spare. And these are the shorts I hike in. Pair of Under Armour, super comfy. In summer I take a cap, and in winter I take the hat. I also take a snood for various reasons. I have 1 spare t-shirt and a pair of sunglasses. Footwear, depending on the terrain, is either lightweight boots or most of the time, something like these ultra lone peak trail runners. These have definitely seen better days. I take my little bum bag to keep my personal items close to me. I have my cook kit, which is a Soto stove and pot, folding cup and folding spoon. There's also a little dishcloth in there. Some gas for the stove. A water filter, this one's a platypus. A small first aid kit. Toiletries, which consist of a toothbrush, toothpaste and wet wipes. How exciting. A battery pack, this one's Anchor. 26,000 milliamps. Lasts me a good few days. Some charging cables and my headphones. Usually for a bit of country music or a podcast. I've got a 1.5 litre Nalgene bottle and some Lecky walking sticks. These are more important than you'd imagine. I've got this little Flextail tiny pump, which blows up my sleeping pad and is also my light. I always pack some food. These are more for emergencies. I'll try and find shops along the way. A couple of clear rubbish bags. We never leave rubbish behind. And finally, this 50 litre dry pack. This lines my rucksack and everything goes inside it. Almost forgot one of the most important things, navigation. Map, compass and the phone that I'm filming on. And there we have it, all packed, ready for the next big adventure. See you soon.